Hey guys, I wanted to show you how to record a response in Flipgrid. So once you click the join code, you're going to come to a screen that looks like this. I believe this is what yours looks like. This is what the teacher side looks like. Then you're going to click on share. I'm sorry. No, you're not. You're going to click on actions and click on record a response. And then you're going to go to record screen. Start recording screen. Share. And so once you get to this point, I want you to record it. Okay. And then you have up to 2 minutes. As you see up here, there's a timer. You have 2 minutes. I want you to walk everyone through your Minecraft world. You can talk if you want and explain everything to us, but you don't have to. Then once you record your response, you will press stop recording and you'll post that to the Minecraft discussion board on Flipgrid. Okay. Have this done by Friday morning. Like, we have to have this done when we come into class Friday so that the people that are doing our STEM walk will be able to see it. Okay? See you guys then.